are going to be two more there at right angles again. And then that'll sort of, so I have the two doors there and the two doors there. And so mirror image of it there, except different material, different visual material. On this side of the room, this image seems very apropos of, there's a text panel, like hand lettered, giant size, that says "Let the darkness out." And so this seems extremely apropos of that. And then it's all anatomically heart-based, and so I've worked with a lot of antique anatomical heart material that I collect. And in addition to that, and this one is layers of it, in addition to that, I've incorporated some antique maps on this one, which has an added layer of meaning, but it's not important that it be explicit. Yeah, so I'm really interested in the structures of the heart and so on, but it's, you know, no one should be performing surgery based on what I'm doing with the heart. One of the things about the forms that I use are that this is actually transferred on Chinese mulberry paper, and which I normally, you know, ink paint on, and so we're presenting them like scrolls, which is something I've done before with large scale stuff, but this is a unique combination of materials for me.
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful too, and it can be backlit, right?
Yeah, exactly. I specifically, right from, I don't know, March or something, when I was first thinking about this, I wanted translucency, imagery on translucent material. In between generations, have the shared experience. Of course they do.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Right.
I look at it, I'm a lot older than you. I was
Yeah, so I took
so
Yes, I can see my dad.
that's where my family, I was born.
Yeah. My dad was born in Rose.
Do you like, wow.
Yeah. So like they opened the first Chinese restaurant in Rose there.
Oh my God.
That's the people that I didn't
In between generations. And torn. Video or email. Oh, please. So here, you can have any. So I have different. Here, let me spread this. Both this.